Fix Zoom error code 300 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Method 2. Disable VPN and proxy server. VPN clients and proxy servers can create obstacles in the connection between the Zoom server and the Windows client machine. This can prevent access to Zoom. Method 3. Change password. Click on the Forgot Password hyperlink. Enter your email address in the prompt and click Submit. Check your email inbox for a password resetting link from Zoom. Click on the link in the email. Enter and confirm a new password on the page that opens. Restart the Zoom app. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click on Sign In. The problem should be fixed. If that didn't work. Method 4. Sign in using different credentials. We recommend utilizing alternative login options, such as sign in using Facebook or sign in using Apple ID. Method 5. Reinstall Zoom. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.